Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number is banned issue on Telegram. So guys, if you are trying to create account on Telegram but you are facing this issue and you are unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply tap on help button, and after this you have to simply submit an appeal regarding this issue to the Telegram team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Telegram team by this button, and after this they will review your number and account, and if you have not violated any community guideline, then your account will be unbanned on Telegram. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to any browser and search for sport.telegram, and after this go to sport section from here, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Telegram team from here as well. So guys, explain your problem in a brief way. After this, wait for 24 hours and then check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, update your device to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change the Telegram number to create a new account. And after this, you will be able to create account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.